I have a great core routine for you today. We're going to be doing core and also lower abdominals. So today's workout again is going to be 50 seconds of work and we're going to have 30 seconds break. And for today's workout, it's going to be completely body weight. So all I need from you is that you really focus on every repetition, really engage your core. So we're still really focusing on doing exercises really slow, focusing on contraction, engagement, activation, to really get the most out of these workouts because they're really short, but they're really effective if you really focus on doing every repetition with good quality form. So I'm gonna set up my timer for 30 seconds a break and then 50 seconds of work. I'm gonna start with the first exercise, which is the dead bug. So you want to get on the floor and spend a few seconds here, really engage with your core. And we're going to be doing the dead bug, which is we're going to extend the opposite arm, the one arm to the opposite leg. So make sure that you have your legs bent at a 90-degree angle and we'll start extending. Focus on slow repetitions. Make sure you're not overarching your lower back. And use your core for stability. All right, you're gonna take a break. So really focusing on slow, controlled movements. All right, we're gonna move into the next exercise, which is the single lower and lift. Again, keep your back glued to the mat, no overarching. Next exercise is going to be the bird dog. Making sure that we're using the core for balance again. And when you extend, imagine that you have a cup of water on your back and you're trying to avoid that cup from falling over. Extend arm, opposite leg. Next is we're gonna be doing double leg raises. So we're gonna this time lower both of our legs down and up. It's slightly more challenging exercise than earlier, so make sure to keep everything nice and tight. Go as low as you can and back up. We're gonna end with some knee tucks to engage the lower abdominals. These are really small movements, so you just wanna bring your knees forward, tap your hand and back, but really focusing on bringing your hips in with your lower abdomen.